Good morning, students. This is Punit, your English teacher. Dear students, in the last lecture, we studied how to identify subject, object, and prepositional object in the sentences. Now, let's continue with the next part of grammar. We are doing the basics of grammar. Before learning parts of speech and other parts of grammar like tenses, active, passive, direct, indirect. So we desperate need to practice some basics of grammar, and that will be completed in a few lectures. So this lecture is totally dedicated to subject complement and object complement if we have enough time. So dear students, we did subject, like what type of work noun does in a sentence. It works as a subject, as an object, and as a prepositional object. Now we are going to do subject complement. So dear students, I told you yesterday in the last lecture, it is a word which completes the meaning of given expression. Given expression we will understand when we will read the sentence. Given expression means anything is talked, especially that's called an expression which is completing the subject. When it completes the meaning of the given expression is called complement. And what can be the complement, dear students? Let's see. It could be a noun, a pronoun, or an adjective. Right, everyone? Understand once more. A complement can be a noun, a pronoun, or an adjective. This is very important part. So let's go to see subject complement. It is followed by linking verbs. Right, everyone? It is followed by linking verbs. What are the linking words we have read so far? Linking verbs are, as we have read, form of be, like is, am, are, was, were, and be itself. These are the linking verbs we have read so far. But dear students, we do have some other verbs which are also counted, which also come in linking verbs category. So what are these? Linking verbs are as follows, like feel, smell, look, taste, appear, seem, sound, go, get, grow, keep, reach, prove, remain, safety, become, and be itself, etc. Some other verbs are also. So we cannot mention all the verbs as linking verb, but these are some of the linking verbs which have been given to you people so that you can understand. Now we will see how complement works in the sentence. So first we'll see subject complement. Dear students, that's called subjective complement also, right? It is followed by linking verb. Now see, I show you a sentence. She is the winner. So first we need to understand subject, verb and object. She is the subject as it is pronoun. Is is the linking verb as we have discussed, right? And the winner, she is what? She is what? Are we getting exactly? We need to see she is what? The winner, right? So what we need to understand, this winner is completing the meaning of she. Who is winner? Winner is she. So what we understand here, that winner is completing the sense of this she, and explaining about she. That's why this is called subject complement, right? And noun, it is basically winner is a noun word which is working as a subject complement in the sentence, because winner is she and she is the subject of the sentence. That's why winner becomes the subject complement in the sentence. Let's go to the next sentence. My friends are they. I told you that noun, pronoun, and an adjective can become a complement. So, my friends is the subject of the sentence, and are is the linking verb, and they is the pronoun which is working add subject complement in the sentence. They is referred, completes the meaning. They is talked about subject, which is my friends. So when it is talking about subject, then it becomes the subject complement. Now go to next sentence. David is happy. Now you see winner was the noun in the first sentence. In the second sentence, they is the pronoun, right? I have given you both as a noun complement, as a pronoun complement, and the next sentence is David is happy, right? So happy is adjective, and happy is completing the meaning of what? David, right? It is talking about David, though we call it subject complement. It is completing the meaning of subject. That's why it is called subject complement, right? So is, again, it is a linking verb. Now you see, it seems awkward. In the last sentences, I showed you some linking verbs of the parts of be, but now we have some other. It seems. Seems is also linking verb, right, everyone? It is the subject. And awkward, what? Awkward means what? Awkward is explaining about it. There is something, material or anything, which looks awkward, and this awkward is completing the meaning of this it. That's why it is called subject complement, because it is working as a subject in the sentence. That's why we are talking about this. And it is awkward. Awkward is an adjective which is working as a subject complement in the sentence. Well, dear students, next we will see that note is given once again. Linking verbs are followed by a complement, and the complement can be noun, pronoun, and an adjective. So dear students, thank you very much for this. Next video we will study object complement, which is called objective complement. Thanks.